Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use 3D Circle app step by step. Start by opening the app and creating an account, then pick a template or start fresh. Tap the toolbar to add shapes, textures, and lighting, and move objects by dragging or using precise transform controls. Save often and preview your scene with the play button to check animation and camera angles before exporting your final file. Create your core model by placing primitive shapes and adjusting their scale and rotation. Use snapping and alignment guides for accurate positioning, and apply modifiers such as bevel or subdivide to add detail without destroying the base mesh. Remember to work non-destructively by duplicating layers or using groups, and label each object so you can find and tweak parts later without losing time. Add materials by selecting an object and picking a preset, or importing your textures like albedo, roughness, and normal maps. Tweak parameters such as metallic and roughness to control how the surface reacts to light, and place a few different light types to sculpt the scene. Use an HDR environment for natural reflections, then preview with the render view to balance exposure and color before you export.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.